Welcome to Smart Kits. Why reinvent the wheel when Pink has done the thinking for you? Available through the MyPink online portal, you can have access to numerous kits containing instructional how-to guidance to get started on your process improvement projects. There are many Smart Kits to choose from, and each one is unique to a specific process or subject area, such as several specific ITIL processes. Here you see the list on MyPink online portal showing the many subjects like problem management, service catalogs and service level management, preparing for organizational change management, and many more. There is also a detailed listing on the Pink Elephant website, or by visiting MyPink, which is the current view. Within each kit, you'll find a variety of templates, plans and instructional guidance, checklists, case studies, multimedia education modules, such as books, podcasts, and webinars, and so much more. All information is easy to access through MyPink. Here is the list of documents and tools available for mastering the problem management process. Here is a look at the documents and tools for service desk and incident management. Here is the list of resources available for establishing service catalogs and service level management. Each of these Smart Kits is sold separately, and you decide which one to access depending on your process improvement priorities. Interested in learning more about Smart Kits? Visit the Pink Elephant website, or send an email to info@pinkelephant.com. Or you can scroll through the list shown in this video in more detail by visiting MyPink.